Let me know once a screen is visible for everyone. Is it
Very
visible?
good, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, it's visible now.
Okay, so for 15 minutes, we will give some little introduction about the session and course, and then we will start with the sessions. Okay. So yeah, welcome you all to this ServiceNow AK training. So I will directly move to the catalog part, flow designer part, and integration part. And this is my intro. My name is Afan Khan. I have 6 years of IT experience in ServiceNow. I have trained almost 80-90 plus students as of now. And I have worked in different areas like ITSM, catalog integration, HRSD. Then this is the training content which I'm providing, which is ITSM, admin, development, client-side scripting, server-side, service catalog, flow designer, integration. But this all topics is already covered. Few topics is left, which we will cover later. But this service catalog, flow designer, integration, it starts from today. Now training features, what you will get, I think everybody know that I have provided the PDF on the group as well, that you will get basic to advanced concept, 100% practical sessions. I will provide my all digital PDFs, notes after every session. I think you people have seen or familiar with my notes. I will also show right now. And I have given a lot of interviews, almost 40 plus interviews in past 2 years. I have switched 2 companies in past 2 years. So I have a lot of experience with the interviews, that what all things they are asking in the interview, which area is important. Then it's all thing you can read, like live coding and doubt support, lifetime recording access, interview preparation, resume building and placement support, one-to-one connect over a call for any doubt. Like if you will come to my session and after getting into the session, if you have any doubt, your doubt will be solved over the call. You can ask from the people who are already there in my session. I am solving their doubt over the call directly. Whenever they have any doubt, they can connect with me. Now, who can join? Anyone can join, from freshers, working professionals, anyone who is looking to switch into ServiceNow. Those all can join, or from these domains also they can join. ServiceNow is not that much difficult. You have to just know the ServiceNow platform, ServiceNow APIs, Glide APIs, and JavaScript basics only. Now, by the end of this course, you will be able to perform all these things. Then training timing, mostly we are doing on 9 p.m. IST on alternate days, approx 4 classes in a week. And training duration, like it is a whole training duration. It is not service catalog or flow designer. It is 8 to 10 weeks, which is approx 2 to 2.5 months. Then this is the admin topic, client script topic, service. This is the admin topic, which is already covered. Client and server side scripting, which is already covered. Few topics is left, which we will cover later for our students. Now this is service catalog. We will start from here today. Service catalog, we will cover this catalog item, variables, variable set, catalog, client script, catalog UI policy, user criteria, process engine, record producer, order guide. This will cover in service catalog. I think I have shared today only. I have shared detailed topics, whatever I'm going to cover in this service catalog. So you people have seen those or not? The detailed one of this service catalog, which I have shared to the group. Anyone?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now in Flow Designer, I will be covering all these areas. Like Flow Designer, we have triggers, action flow, subflows, important actions, approvals, important actions like update, record, notification, email. Then use cases, execution, custom action, calling flow from script. Then we will jump into the integration, where we will see all these topics. Or let me show you directly from that PDF so that it will be easy. Like here it is. This is the PDF. I will show you from this catalog. Are you able to see the screen properly, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, Afan.
Yes. So see this service catalog, categories, catalog item, variable set, variable, single row, multi-row. This is very important question for interview. How the data is stored in MRVS and how to read the MRVS data. We will see this user criteria, catalog UI policy, client script, then process engine of catalog. Portal setting we will see in catalog, real-time use case we will see 10-15 use cases. Record producer we will see how we will use current and producer object in scripting, then how we will do mapping, then order guide we will see, cascade variable, very important interview question, almost asked from me 15 plus times. Then two-step we will see, then most important rule base in order guide we will see. After that, this is the flow designer thing, like what we will cover in flow designer. We will start with the basics. What is flow designer? Why we are using it? Then we can use flow designer as a business rule, also as a schedule job, as a workflow. You can see business rule, schedule job, SLA task, service catalog, inbound email action. We all perform the task, this task by using flow designer. Flow designer is low code, no code platform. Yeah, we can write code also in flow designer. It is not like that it is 100% low code. Then we will see important actions, like these are all the important action, day-to-day actions. Lot of interview questions will be asked from here, especially ask for approval or send notification or create catalog task, this all. Then we will see integration hub. What is integration hub? Why we are using it? What is the use of it, especially in the flow designer? Then we will see the spokes. We will do integration with the help of flow designer, with the help of Jira spoke. Then we will see logics, whatever logic is present over there. We will see subflows. Then we will see the data pill, how data pill is making easy flow designer to use the previous steps. Then we will see execution and debugging. Then how we can call flow designer from script. This is also an interview question, especially very important. Then flow management, what are the use of copy flow, then flow properties, this all thing. We will see at the end how we can do error handling in flow designer. If something fails in our any step, then how we will handle those error. Then we will move ahead with the creation of custom actions. Then after that, integration will start, and integration fundamental we will cover. In integration especially, I will start from zero level. Zero level means I will explain you about what is unidirectional. Then I will explain you about what is inbound integration, what is outbound integration. I will show you why we need integration, why we are doing integration in ServiceNow. Then I will explain you what is the meaning of request, what is the meaning of response, what is the meaning of URL, what is the meaning of endpoint. First, I will explain you with the meanings, why we are using these HTTP methods. HTTP methods are used in REST message. So why REST message prefer HTTP methods? Then HTTP headers, query parameters, whatever term is mentioned, we will deal with that first. Then we will jump into the integration part, because if you will not able to understand these words properly, then it will be confused in your mind. Then why we are using HTTP headers, what is the meaning of content type, where we are using application JSON, why we are using JSON. Then we will see query parameters and request body. Then status code we will see when we are getting the response. So what is the meaning of this 200, 201, 400, 404? This all thing I will explain. Then basic difference between REST and SOAP, why we are using it, what is the use of it. Then I will explain you about the difference between REST message, REST API Explorer, which is present on ServiceNow, and then Postman. After that, we will see JSON and XML. What is the basic difference between JSON and XML, how it look like, what is the syntax structure of these two. Especially like JSON, we will focus more because JSON is provided in REST message, SOAP is using XML. Then we will see these HTTP methods, almost asked from me 15 plus times in interviews, especially these two, put and patch. We will see all this thing. Then we will move ahead with the REST message configuration in ServiceNow, how we are configuring REST message. Then after that, we will see ServiceNow APIs. What are table APIs, import set APIs, scripted REST APIs? Almost asked 5 to 10 times in the interview from me. What is the difference between table API, import set API, and scripted API? In import set API, we will deal in lot detail. What is import set? What is transform map? What is data source? What is import set table? What are field mapping? What is QLS? Then we will move ahead with the transform script. Too much important for the interview perspective. What is on start, on before, on after, on complete, on foreign insert, on choice create, on reject, everything. Then we will move ahead with the authentication and authorization. Why we are using it, what is the use of it, what the meaning, the basic meaning of authentication and authorization. Then after that, we will move ahead with the auth 2.0, especially for the interview perspective. Why we are using it, what is the meaning of client ID, client secret. I have mentioned these topics because these topics have asked from me itself in the interview. What is the meaning of access token and reference token? What is the meaning of client ID and client secret? Then after we will see mid server. What is the use of mid server? Why we are using it mid server? What is the meaning of it? Then we will see what is webhook and polling. Webhook is, we will see this in this integration. Wait, let me show you. ServiceNow to Microsoft Teams integration. Here we will see the meaning of webhook. What is the meaning of webhook? Then here again, we will see the integration of how we can integrate using REST message also and utilizing integration of in the flow designer also. We will see the meaning of spokes and all. Then we will see LDAP integration with the Active Directory of certain organization Active Directory. We will see what is that Active Directory, how we are integrating that Active Directory with the help of LDAP. LDAP is a protocol. It is not a kind of something. It is just a protocol which help ServiceNow to fetch the data from Active Directory and show it in the user table. Now we will see after that, we will see ServiceNow to ServiceNow integration. Here we will create using the REST message. Then we will see ServiceNow to Jira integration. I will tell you in detail how you can create your account in Jira and how the things will be passed, how authentication is provided. There we have to use token thing in ServiceNow. That is not work on authentication like username or password. I will tell you this in that session. Then we will see ServiceNow to Microsoft Teams integration. In that we will see how webhooks work here. Then after that, we will see how we can call REST API from server-side script, basically from business rule or from background script. This all thing we will see. Then we will see how we can call REST API from Flow Designer also, where we can create custom actions. From there, how we can call this. This is also the famous interview question. What is how we can call REST message from Flow Designer. Then after that, we will see calling REST API from business rule, especially whenever some incident is created. I want to create one Jira issue in the Jira. So there we will utilize this one. Then after that, we will perform this all integration, ServiceNow to ServiceNow, ServiceNow to Jira, ServiceNow to Microsoft Teams, Active Directory to ServiceNow. This all thing we will see. And at the end of the session, I will I'm not saying this with much confidence, but yeah, after completing this integration, Flow Designer and Service Catalog, you will be in a much better position. This all topics will be covered. I can also do one thing, like I can also directly jump into this and I will start explaining you that what is the meaning of ServiceNow to Jira integration. I will start showing you. But if you will not understand this basic thing, what is this? What is the meaning of integration? What is the meaning of inbound, outbound? Suppose REST message is there, SOAP message is there. So it will come under which section? Inbound or outbound? Then what is unidirectional, bidirectional? What is the meaning of request body? Then content body or HTTP status code. So this all thing, first I will explain. I have prepared a lot in detail notes. So let me show you the notes, how I have prepared for all those things. Service Catalog, it is already open. So we will see in upcoming 5 to 10 minutes. We will start with Service Catalog only. I will show you integration notes. I have prepared, where it is, Flow Designer, 1 minute. Yeah, here it is. See, I have prepared this Flow Designer notes. Almost it is a 16-page notes. It will cover all the basic things. I'm telling you, whenever you are going to study some topic, you have to start from zero level. What is trigger? I have attached the screenshot of this. Trigger are 3 types: record, schedule, application. Then you have to understand what is condition. Then action. What is the meaning of action? Why we are using it? How many actions are provided by ServiceNow? Then what is subflow? What is spokes? Then we will move ahead with the difference between Flow Designer and Workflow. We are starting from zero level and then we will move ahead. We will do almost 10 to 15 use cases in Flow Designer. I will show you by creating by myself only. Then after that, you will see I have prepared separate notes for actions only. Actions are very important, very, very important. You can consider it as a whatever task you want to perform. Without action, you cannot perform anything. So action, I have prepared every action in detail with all the snippet, whatever is possible. It took me almost 5 to 10 hours to prepare this Flow Designer notes. Every action is explained in detail, but you don't need to read all the actions. All the actions are not important. Few actions are important. In the session, I will tell you. Then this is the flow logic. If else, every flow logic is explained in detail. You will also go through it. Every logic is not important. I will also highlight which one is important, which one is not. Then here is the integration hub note. What is the meaning of integration hub and all this. Then error handling, how we are doing error handling in Flow Designer. Then after that, if you will see integration part, you can see spoke notes I have prepared. I will explain you about spokes. I will tell you how you can utilize spoke. Spoke is, I will tell you with the help of REST message. I will just give you the example. Suppose if you want to integrate ServiceNow with the Jira, with the help of REST message, it will take you almost 20 minutes. Almost 20 minutes. if you will use REST message as a beginner only, I'm asking. But if you will spoke, it will take you only 1 minute, even less than 1 minute to integrate with ServiceNow to Jira. In REST message, it will take 20 minutes. In spokes, it will take only 1 minute, maybe less than 1 minute. This is the difference between REST message and spoke. I will explain that in the sessions. Now, after that, you can see mid server. I will explain you about the mid server, how mid server works in the organization. Most important interview questions. Then here status code. Every code is explained how this is informational, this is success, this is redirection, client error, server error. These are asked in the interview from you people. What is the meaning of 502 or 504 or 100 or something? Then REST API Explorer, what is it? How we are using it? Then after that, ServiceNow to Jira group creation, how we are doing. Every step is there. I will perform this. I have prepared notes for you people so that it will be easy for you to remember. Then we will see webhooks and all. Then today we are starting with the service catalog. So now after the session, not now, after the session, when service catalog will complete, because as it is, our timing is 8 p.m. So my student is also waiting. So after service catalog will end, if you have any query regarding anything, you can ask me after the session, not now, because if you will ask now, it will take 10-15 minutes and it will be a waste for other people who are already there in the sessions. So am I clear? Like, are you okay? Everything understood?
Are we
Yes,
covering
yes.
decision tree also?
What is it?
Decision tree.
Decision tree or decision table?
Yeah, decision table.
As of now, I have not mentioned in the syllabus, but yes, I will cover the basics of this decision table. Okay.
And what will be the fees of
What?
this course?
Yeah, you can text me over the WhatsApp for the fee structure and all everything. You can text me over the WhatsApp. Okay.
Notes and assignments will be provided. Assignment daily.
Everything will be provided to you. You can ask this doubt personally over the WhatsApp. Okay. After the session, if you have still any doubt regarding the sessions and all, how the things will be, you can stay 1 hour here and you will see how I am teaching or what all the thing I am saying for the service catalogs. Okay.
Yeah.
So can I start? And one more thing, I am not able to see or texted. So whatever you people have texted, I haven't seen. So let it be. Now let's start with the service catalog.
Sure, of course. Thank you.
Yeah, tell me.
No, please begin.
Yeah. So I will start with one example. If you are not talking, then please be on mute. Everyone, I think 84 or 85 people are there. If you are not talking, then please be on mute. It will create some noise sound for me also and for other peoples as well. So yeah, what is this service catalog? First of all, you have to understand that whenever you will go to Amazon, here you will see this is the Amazon website. Whenever you want to purchase something, suppose I am going to purchase this fridge, this refrigerator, if I want to purchase. So if I will open this, you will see here, this is not the actual fridge. This is just a photo, or you can see this is just a picture. This is not the actual item, which is seen in the Amazon. And you can see some labeling is also there. Some labeling, some price or some ratings. This all are like, this is just a catalog only. Okay. So this Amazon we are using for purchasing the goods. I think you know the difference between goods and services. Are you people aware? What is the main difference between goods and services?
Yes.
Okay. So goods is something which is tangible. You can say this is tangible. Tangible is something which we can feel, touch, or think. So it is a kind of good, and services is something which we cannot see by our eyes. So services is like, if I will open, so see, service catalog itself name is service. So this catalog we are using, Amazon catalog we are using to buy this product, to buy this refrigerator. And here lot of picture are pasted, lot of information is there, lot of thing like inclusives, all taxes, EMI, everything is mentioned over here. So someone also has created this catalog. Someone has also pasted this photo. Someone took this photo, then they have uploaded here. They have shown here in the, they have written this same thing in the backend so that it is coming over here. Same way in ServiceNow, if you will go, I will also tell you from the basic. First, let me explain you. Suppose if I will open this one, or 1 minute, let me open this one. So same as it is, you can see in Amazon, we have certain categories. It is divided into certain categories like women. If you will go to women section, then you can see only the women items. If you will go to men section, then you will see only the men items. If you will go to kids section, then you will see kid items. If you will go to the electronic section, then in the electronic section, you will see only electronic items, nothing else apart from electronic. If you will go to home and kitchen, you will see all the items which is related to home. If you will go to the fashion section, then in fashion section, you will see all the items which is related to fashions, correct? So same as it is, we can also create the same catalog, whatever you are seeing over here. We can also create this same catalog, but not buying the goods. But not for buying the goods, we have to create this item for buying the services. And what kind of services we will buy? We will buy services like, suppose someone wants laptop, then they can request the issue. Then if someone needs email access, they can raise the issue. Or someone need VPN access, mobile request, finance application access, or suppose new LDAP server they need. So these are the services. These are not the goods. I think I am clear. Some things, suppose laptop request we are raising. So laptop, we will get the goods, but behind that, we have to take a lot of approval, lot of things we have to mention. So whenever we are asking for some service from our organization only, like people are, I think lot of people are there in the session right now. Many of you people have used already this service catalog, but don't know the thing, whatever is going in backend part. So I will explain you today how this thing works. Suppose I am just showing you the front page directly. See, this is the catalog. I think many people are familiar that someone, if you want to, suppose there is a short description, if you will write test, then affected user, if you will select something like Roxy or issue detail, you have to write something. Then important update, you have to write something. Then new city or new company. If you will hit submit button, your request will be submitted. And I'm talking about the end users. People are always, that was the record producer. That's why it landed me here. So I will tell you record producer later. That was a record producer. That's why it landed me directly into the incident. If I will open something else, suppose laptop request, record producer, we will read after this service catalog. I think this is the same one, or no, it is the catalog only. So yeah, this is the catalog where we are raising request for laptop only. If I will write laptop model 2019, OS, I need Windows, RAM, I need 8 GB, accessories, I need a mouse also. Then caller is, I will select Sam. And if I will do order now, then after that, I think you people can relate if you have worked. This request item, you have to send it to your manager or someone who is your team lead. Then that one will see this, what you are requesting, then they will approve, and then you will get the access of anything. Here we are requesting for laptop, but there you are getting access for domain ID or some email or password or some user ID. I think many of people have used this catalog as this interface only, but you people don't know what is going behind this, how these variables are created and all. So before starting, we will see, this is the general overview I have given till now. We have created, we will see this inside the service catalog, there is a software category. Inside software category, we have laptop request. But I will show you same as it is. We can also create. So now let's start first. First of all, you have to go to this search bar and you have to type this catalog. Under catalog, you will find this catalog definition, and under catalog definition, you will find this. This is my catalog. It is just a filter where it will show your catalogs, your categories, your items. But the overall view is, first of all, you have to understand what is catalogs, then categories, and then item. These three you have to understand. This is three. And in this three also, this is the most important one. Here the works, all the works is completed over here. This is to just please be on mute. Please be on mute. Yeah. So this is the catalog, which is, I will show you with the diagram so that it will be easy for you people. Let me make it little low. So yeah, overall view, you can see this is the service catalog, which is on the top. It is like this one, catalogs, maintain catalogs. It is just a thing which we will bifurcate the items. Beside this catalog, we have categories like software, hardware, or suppose other thing, whatever is here, suppose hardware, software, or access. These are all the categories. And the main item is here, maintain item. Inside this, we have these items, laptop request or mouse request or keyboard request. You can see these are the main catalog items. We will develop our catalog inside this. These two categories and service catalog, these are just for our convenience so that we will bifurcate our items according to the requirement. If some catalog is under hardware, then we have to put it under hardware category. If some catalogs are under software, suppose this MS Office is a software, Adobe is a software, VPN software. So this all comes under software category. Then SAP, VPN, email, these are all the access. So it will come under access category. Then these three categories are again managed by the service catalog. I will show you. Maintain catalogs, maintain categories, and maintain items. You can see inside this, you will find three categories. You will, by default in your PDI, it will show only three categories, which is technical catalogs. Then human research, this come because I have installed the plugin. Maybe in your, you will see only this technical and service catalog. You will see this service catalog, technical catalog only. This is the top view. Top view means on the hierarchy, it will be placed here on the service catalog, top level, which contain all the category. Every item, whatever you can see over here, it is inside this or this or this. It is just for our bifurcation, same as the example of Amazon. When we will go to the kid section, you will see kid related thing. Then again, inside this catalogs, we have categories. These are all categories. You can see this catalog is here. If I will make it group by catalog, you will see only three categories: human resource, service catalog, and technical catalogs. So this three contains this much of categories, 7 category, 38 category, 4 category. And inside these categories, we have our catalog items. If you will mark it as a group by category, you will see this all are the category, 34 categories are there. Total 34 category. Under desktop, we have 1 catalog item. Under facilities, we have 2 catalog item. Under hardware, we have 17 catalog item. So these two, I'm again highlighting, maintain catalog and maintain categories. These are just for our convenience. The main thing, whatever we will perform inside the maintain item. The main thing, whatever we will write, whatever we will see, whatever topic I have mentioned, everything comes under this maintain item. So now, if I will ungroup this, or let's do it, that option is not available for catalog. Okay, let it be. So I think you people understood about the difference between service catalog, categories, and catalog items. And the definition is there. You can read it. You can study by yourself also. I have prepared these notes for you people only. You can read it. After reading it, you will get a lot of clarity. As you can see, one example here, service catalog is on the top. Under it, we have a category called software. Under it, we have a software called MS Office. So this is maintain item. This is maintain category. And this is maintain catalogs. I think it is clear the difference between these three, because This is also asked once or twice from me. What is the difference between these three? Or they will tell you, like, can we put this catalog item in different categories? Yes, we can. So this is the overall service catalog on the top. Hardware, software, and access is the categories. And these three are the main catalogs where we will develop everything. You can read these notes. I will provide after the session. You can read, by seeing over the picture, I have generated using AI for you people. So you can see it. Service catalog is the top, categories, and then catalog item. So now this basic thing is clear. What is the difference between catalog, categories, and catalog items? Now I told you that we will perform our task here only, maintain items. So now we will go there directly. In maintain item, and one more thing, maintain catalog and maintain category. You can see this is the catalog name, catalog table. So this is the catalog table name under SC_catalog. This is the table name of catalogs. Categories, this is the table name of category. And catalog item, this is the table name of catalog item. I'm telling you because this is asked from me in the interview. What is the table name of catalog item? What is the table name of catalog? What is the table name of category? You have to remember SC_catalog, SC_category, and SC_cat_item is the main area where we will develop our catalog. So now I will take your question, whatever, whoever is raising your hand, please write it down your question somewhere. Let me tell you everything. Then you can ask any question. I will take it. Maybe whatever you are going to ask, I will already cover in 5 to 10 minutes, maybe whatever you are going to ask. So let me complete first, and then you can ask any doubt after the session will end. Now, everyone is there or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So,
we are
Yeah,
here.
please continue.
right. Yeah. So right now, this one is clear. Everyone, this thing is clear. What is the difference between basic difference at least? Because I'm again
Yes,
telling
yes.
you, first time if you will see, maybe there is a confusion, but second time when you will read from notes, the confusion will be gone. So yeah, first time doubt will be there in your mind. I will give you a chance to ask after the session, maybe after 40-50 minutes. 40-50 minutes, give me time. Maybe your doubt will be clear in the session itself. Now we will move ahead and we will see with the catalog item. What is catalog item? So yeah, see, you can see we have 238 catalog item in our table. Now here you can see the new, maybe let me make it duplicate. Always make duplicate so that it will be easy for you, not going backward and here and there. So now this is the catalog. So this is the interface of catalog. Here we have to give the name. What is the name of our catalog? I have created one use case. I have prepared from the AI so that it will be easy for us to create the use cases. I think my voice is clear for everyone, correct?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes, it's very.
Okay. So now, and I will also tell you the best practices, like how you have to do the work very fast. So right now you will see that I am using my keyboard and I am switching with the screen very fast. So you can also do, I will tell you everything in ServiceNow also. I will show you. So see, in catalog item, here we have to give the name of our catalog. What name you want to give here. So I have already created one use cases where we will create one service catalog item where employee can request a laptop or a replacement of laptop. So first of all, we have to give the name. I will give request new laptop. Then again, I'm telling whenever you will create one catalog item, you have to place it somewhere so that people will fetch those data. So request new laptop. Laptop is what kind of it? It is a hardware. So we will search in catalog. What is it? So it will be under technical or human or service. It is a service. So we will put under service catalog. Then we have to lock it. After selecting this catalog, then you will get the category. If you will not select this, how you will get the category? On which category you want to put? First, we have to select the catalog. First, I will select the service catalog. Then I want to select the category also. Under which category? So software, it is a hardware. So yeah, here it is. Here it is hardware. I will select this hardware. Now When you will come down, you will see short description. In short description, let me save first. Once I will save, this catalog is taking a little bit time to reload the page. Yeah. So you can see a lot of things comes over here. Variables, variable set, catalog, UI policy, catalog client script, available for, not available for category, and all related article, related categories. Now you can see, let me make it duplicate again. Always prefer to make your tab duplicate. You don't have to go back. See, I already created duplicate, so it is already here. I have created duplicate, so it is already here. Now you can see this option over here, try it. Once you will click on this, try it, you will see the form, but on the form, we don't have anything as of now. So now we will move and we will see this short description is there. He is asking something short description. So I have already short description prepared. Then you have to select this short description. After that, it will ask for description. Description means it is a detailed version of description. What is the meaning of this catalog? So detailed version also I have. You can copy or you can paste here, or maybe formatting is showing that something format or something it will change. Keep format. Yeah. You can also make it bold, make it large, or make it something else. So you can also make it 2-step. I will prefer this. Now let me save again. Now this short description and description, you will see this short description and description. Let me refresh this page. So this is the meaning of short description, and this is the meaning of description. Whatever you are seeing over here. This comes from short description. This comes from descriptions. Now, this two is clear. Now this meta, I will explain this meta later. Now this process engine we will see when we will deal with flow designer. See, process engine, one is flow designer, one is workflow, one is execution plan. It was earlier, maybe almost 5-10 years back. Then after workflow, then recently flow came. So I will explain you about this when we will come to flow designer. Now there is a picture section. Picture section, this icon will come in the portal. Let me open the portal. You have to copy the URL till here, and then at the end you have to just write SP. Now your service portal will open. And I think many people can relate that whenever you are ordering something, you don't have access of this page. You don't have access of this page. You cannot order from here. Only developers can order from here. You will always get this interface in your organization. Here you can search. If I will search with this same name, if I will copy and if I will paste here and if I will search, you will see my catalog, which will come over here. See, this request new laptop. Correct? This is the short description. Request a new laptop for business use. If you will open this, you will find nothing. There is no variable till now we have created. Now you can see the same thing is coming over here, but there is no variable we have created as of now. Now what we will do is this picture you can see. Here is one icon. Here is one picture. Icon is for service portal, which is this one. Here you will see the icon. Whenever you will upload something on this icon, you will see on this page. If you will upload the picture, let me upload one picture. I have one laptop picture on my desktop. Here it is. Now it will show on this page. I have uploaded the picture. It will come here. In portal, let me refresh. In portal also, your picture will show. It is the catalog item name. This is the short description. This is the description. And this is the picture which I have uploaded. If you will upload that, let me refresh. Request new laptop. Always try to open. Suppose if this comes with the link, don't open directly. Press Ctrl on your keyboard, then open so that it will open in the new tab. These are the best practice so that you will work fast Now pricing is something same as in the Amazon. We can also give the price. Suppose I will give 1,000 and I will save it. Here pricing will show here. If I will refresh this, you will see 1,000 is there. Now, what is this portal setting? Portal, as the word itself identify that it is the setting on the portal. Portal means here. You will always get the access of this one from raising the catalog. And again, I am showing you, we have created this catalog under the service catalogs and under hardware category. On the portal also you can see under service catalog, under hardware, we will find our request new laptop. So you can see pricing also comes up here. Now, next part, this portal setting. In the portal, you can manage with the order, request or submit. This 3 options you can change. Here you can see order now. Instead of order now, you can request, you can submit. In the here also, it is order now, you can change it. Suppose if I will change to request, if I will make to submit, let me select request. If I will save it, oh, it will work on the portal only. See, it come to request when I have changed to request. Now, if I will change to submit, then it will change to submit. Now you can see, let it makes it order only. And in order, you will see lot of options, which is a checkbox. Suppose, let me hide all the thing. Add to cart, quantity, delivery time, save as draft, hide attachment, hide mandatory errors. Let me save it. I have hidden all the things. Now, come here, if you will refresh, everything is hidden, only order now is coming. And this pricing also you can remove from here. So let it be, let's keep there. So everything is removed from here. So now this thing we are using, like if I want to hide the attachment, if I will make it unchecked, then attachment will show there. We can attach something on our catalog. So if I will refresh this, you can see attachment came here. We can attach our thing from here. Now you can also make mandatory. If you will hide it, then it will become this grade. So you can also make mandatory. I have hide the save as draft. You can unhide also. One by one, I am doing it so that you can see what all difference is creating on the portal. You can see save as draft came now. Now after that, you can see hide the delivery time. So make it open, save it. You will see delivery time is 2 days. Now again, if I will unhide quantity or make it, let me unhide both, add to cart and quantity. Now if I will come here and refresh the page, you will see add to cart and quantity is coming over here. So this specific field is only for the portal. Portal means this one, not here. I am again telling you, this is for developers who are developing so that they can test. This is for the end users for whom we are developing this, they can utilize this one. So tell me, how many people have utilized this thing as an end user or as a developer or as an admin or as a in any domain you are working and you have used this thing, ServiceNow Service Portal, and you will request something. Anyone in the call?
Can you
Are you
repeat again?
I'm asking how many people have utilized this thing? Like you came here and you have raised something and you have ordered something, you got the request ID and all. How many
Yes.
people have did this? Yes, many people are raising the hand. So yeah, this is common in every organization. ServiceNow is everywhere. And this service catalog, I'm again highlighting 90% of organizations are using service catalog. 90% of organizations. Those who have using ServiceNow. Now I think these 5 things are clear for you people. Correct, everyone? Process engine, I am telling you again, we will see in the service when we will see flow designer. Now, after that, you can see there is a meta. Meta, I think it is a kind of, we can use some key over here. Suppose, let me go to here and we will go to home. In home, if I will type, suppose master, if I will type master and if I will search, I will not get anything with the name master, correct? Because there is nothing in the catalog with the name master, correct? Now, the same name, if I will copy and if I will use in meta, meta is a helping word. Helping word means whenever you will write master in portal, you will get this catalog. If I will save this, and now if I will search again, let me refresh it first. Why it is not coming?
You not refreshed the service portal. Please refresh service portal.
I have oh, 1 minute. I'm only going back. Yeah, 1 minute. But going back also, it is a refreshing of page.
I think everyone go to employee center.
No.
Service
See,
portal.
no, it came. Now see, I have searched with the master word, but my catalog came here because of this meta. Meta is a helping word. You can write anything. Suppose instead of meta, you can write laptop or comma desktop, something. Whatever you will write, whatever word there someone is searching on the portal, they will get the detail over there. Suppose if I will search with the laptop, I will not get my one. With the help of laptop, yes, I got because I have name also, a laptop. See laptop request, report a laptop issue, loaner laptop, sales laptop, everything came. Maybe they have also provided their name as meta, or maybe they have keep the name, maybe not. This is the name only. So I think you know what is the meaning of this meta. One time only they have asked from me what is the meaning of meta in catalog. So this is the general overview of the catalog. Now we will jump the main part of the catalog. What is the main part? So now let me open the incident. If I will go and open our new incident. So suppose this is the field, correct? Important is a field. Urgent is a field. This is also a field. This is also a field. Only the type is changing, correct? This is choice. This is also choice. This is reference. This is single line text. This is also single line text. This is multi-line text. Or not multi-line, not, it is a string only. Both are a string. Single line text and multi-line text in the catalog. So here we will call this thing as fields, correct? This state is a field. Impact is a field. Remember this word, field. We are always telling important is a field. Caller is also a field. Correct, everyone?
Yes, Tapan.
Yes. So same thing we can create here, but here we cannot call it field. We have to call it variable. Variable, which you can see on the down. This is called variable. I will show you. Let me close this incident and this thing. Okay, let it be. Yeah. Let me make it duplicate. I will create few variables, which I have already in my use case. We have lot of variables. Let me first show you the type of variable. And today also I will give you people a task. You have to complete it. You have to create it. You have to create the same thing. I will provide the PDF also. So see, this is the variable. Here we can create our variable. You can see, first of all, you have to see the type. We have lot of type: attachment, break, checkbox, container, end, split, start. I will explain everything. Custom with label, date and time, duration, email, IP address, label, list collector, lookup multiple choice, lookup select box, masked, multi-line text, multiple choice numeric reference requested for rich text label, select box, single line text, UI page. This all are the types. What all the types of variable we have. In interview, one or two, they have asked me what all the types of variable we have. Can you name them? Or have you worked in catalog? If yes, then tell me what all variable type you have used. So yeah, at that time you have to tell these words, multi-line text. And here we are calling in the incident, we are calling string only. We have to just increase the length there. But here, if you want to make the same field, we have to use multi-line text. So now I will show you. I will create one variable called employee name. So here we can give the question as employee name. Then it is already taken. If you will write this, if you have to understand that this one, whatever is written in the name, this is the backend name which we will use in the scripting. Now we have to give the order. Order is very important. Which kind of field it is? It is a reference field. I have to select reference. Now when you will select reference, you have to select some field that which this field will referring to which table. So I will use sys_user. So here again, I am telling you the best practice. See, if you will type sysuser, then you have to find it. Where is this sysuser table? So yeah, here it is, correct. So after sysuser, if you will give this one, this which bracket, rectangle bracket, it will make your work easy. You will directly get this sysuser. So this all thing you can practice, or you can also get in your one. Now let me save it. Now till now we have created one variable, which is employee name, and the backend name is employee name and all. Now we will go and we will see on the catalog how it is looking. It is taking little time to reload. Oh no, why it is taking this much time? Yeah. So now let's refresh this page. You will see one field. I'm telling you, this is not a field. This is a variable. Don't call field. This is a variable. The name is employee name, and you can select from here. This is the user table, which it is referring. Correct? So this is a reference field. Now there is a lot of some tool tip is there. Then conversational label. This is the recent addition. I think in the newer version they took it. Tooltip. What is tooltip? You can write, give your name, or select your name. I will use this. Then annotation, show help, always expand, no more information, help text. I will select your name. Then default value auto popular. I will tell you later. Now annotation, you can see annotation. You can also write from here, or you can create big annotation from here. Now in question, you can you can see this, select your name. Maybe you will confuse. So I will write 02 here, help text, and here is 01. Now let me save it. It's taking a lot of time. So yeah, see, tooltip is something when you will hover your mouse over your employee name, you will see some option. Select your name 1. 1 means it is a tooltip. It came from here. Correct? I think you have seen in some, like if you are scrolling or Instagram or WhatsApp also, you will, when not in WhatsApp, maybe in the social media sites or maybe in websites, some where you will hover your mouse, you will see this black screen and all. So this is called tooltip. Select your employee name, you will see select your name. And this more information, if you will make it open, then you will see select your name too. It came because of this annotation. And if you will check this, always expand means you don't have to expand this. It will show like this always. Here I have expand, that's why it is shown to me. Then if you will select always expand, then you don't have to expand. And instead of more information, you can write anything. Here is more information, you can write anything. Here you can write anything. Now let's see in the portal also how it looks like. But I'm telling you, portal is for end user, and when the developer is developing something, they are testing here, they are checking here. So see, this is called more info. When you will select, it will look like this. If you will go here, then you will show, select your name one. Correct, everyone? I think you understood this thing. Annotation and tooltip. Type specification already shown. Default value. As you can see, you can always use default value. Now, ordering is very important. I'm again highlighting ordering is very important. You can make field mandatory, read only, hidden, this all thing. But this is not the best practice. If you will hide from here, then it will be hidden from database level. But on the catalog, we have to make it mandatory from the client side, not from the database level. So this is not the best practice to make mandatory on the database level. Now, we will do this all thing with the help of client script, with the help of glide form API. Now, what we will do, we will create another variable, which is request type. Again, I am telling you one best practice. If you want to, then only, or let it be. Let me refresh this. You will see that we have only one variable on our form, which is the reference type, and the name is employee name, and the order is 10. It's taking a lot of time to reload. From next time, I'm not giving this more info or this tooltip. You can give it because these are the requirement. Because people, I will tell you later when we will deal with the use case. I will tell you there. You have to give some info to the user that you can only select the number, you can only select the caller and all. You have to give the information to the user. In that case, this becomes very handy. Now we will create one new variable. Request type, and there is select box. So select box is a choice type of field. Whatever you are seeing on the incident form, in incident form, we call this field as a choice field. Choice field. These are all the choice field. But in catalog, we call it as a select box. Select box is a choice field. Always remember these names. Interviewer might ask you what we call choice field in catalog. So you have to tell select box. You have to select this select box. Suppose I'm not giving any order, or earlier I have given 10, now give 5. In question, I have to give a request type. A request type. Okay, I'm not selecting any annotation or anything. I am saving it, and my order is 5 only now. So this will come first, and this employee name will become second. That is the game of this order. It is taking a lot of time to reload. Yeah, so now let's refresh this. You will see that request type come on top, employee name come below. It is because of that ordering. Like if I will change this order to, that was 10, I will make it 15. Now you will see 10 will come first and 15 will come later. Ordering play a main role in catalog. And there is one container split, start and end, those two also. Now, if I will refresh this, you will see employee name comes first and request type comes second. Request type is a select box. You will see we have option to create the choice. So we have, I think we have two choices. New laptop. Let me copy. This is the text which will show on the, this is the text and this will be the value. Value means this we can use in the scripting. So I'm putting same thing. A replacement laptop. Again, here is the ordering. 100 will come on the top. We have to give 200. And always see there is a plus save sign. You have to save it. So this will come on the first row and this will come in the second row. Now let's save this. Are you people getting it or not?
Yes, it's fine.
Okay. If you have any doubt, you can write it down. I will take your doubt after
Yeah,
10 minutes. You can write your
Yeah.
doubt.
Yeah, we're writing the questions. I am
Yeah.
writing the questions to ask.
See, we have one new laptop and the replacement laptop. We have two choices where new laptop comes on top and second one is the bottom. Now let's create the third one, existing laptop number. This is the single line text. You can see single line text. So we have to select single line text. And now this one we will give order 20. See, I am creating in the existing variable and you will see, I think you people know, but few will not know. I'm creating from the existing one. You can see the sysID. It is already there on the database. I'm creating over this request type. Now I am creating this existing laptop. Now, if I will do save, then it will override. Override means it will gone. And instead of that, the new variable will create with this name. Then in that case, you have to use insert and stay. Insert and stay is the meaning that will stay and you are inserting this record, whatever record I am going to insert. Now I will use insert and stay. You will see that, see, this record is already there. This came just now. Let's see on the portal also. You see employee name, request type came, then existing laptop number came, this all thing. Now, existing laptop number, we don't have anything. Now we will create laptop type. Laptop type is which type? Select box. I have to select box and here I will use 25. Remove this, remove this. Laptop type, select box. Again, I will use insert and stay. Because this one I should keep and I have to create new one. Here we have 4 or 3 choices. A standard laptop. I have to create this 3 choices also. This is the first class. That's why we are going little slow. Here I have created this standard laptop. Again, and now high performance laptop. Then the third one, developer laptop. We have to make it 200 and then we have to make it order 300. Save it. Now I will skip this. I will prepare that later. Now I will show you this type, then list collector. Now let me make this one. I will create that after the class will end, because the same type we are creating, select box. Now need docking station. Let me refresh this page. See, standard laptop, high performance developer, all came. Now need docking stations. Now I have to go here and first of all make it 30, and that is, I think, yes or no. Yes, there is yes or no. I will give you all people one task to complete. That will help you a lot. Insert and stay. Now list collector, required software. But in list collector, we have to use some reference field. Let's see we have or not. There is one list collector. I have to use 35. Required software. So in list collector, we have to, it is a kind of reference field. We have to give some table in this list collector. So which table we will give? There is some software table or something, or let's me give this one only. CMDB_CI. Configuration item I will give instead of software. Yeah. So yes, now insert and stay. List collector. Now we will create one red date one, required by date. It is taking longer time to reload. So you can see list collector will look like this. Okay, list collector, it is start from here, required software, and it will go till there. You can select lot of thing at one time. That's called this is called list collector. So once in a time, I think in Infosys, they have asked me this question that there is one variable in catalog where we can select lot of item in the single variable. So this is the answer, list collector. Here we can select lot of thing at one time, but here only you can select one item. Here only you can select one item, but in list collector you can select one item or maybe more than one item. So that is the list collector, and the data which is fetching this data, this all data comes from this table, configuration item table. Now after list collector, required by date. So I will use date only, date and time. Now I will use 40, and in questions, I will give required by date, and then again is done inner insert and stay. I'm creating this thing so that you will get familiar that how this types of field will be look like. Now there is a multi-line and single line. I will create only this one last. I will create those two later. So see, date will look like this. I will give you a task. Don't worry. You people have to perform the same thing. See, this is required by date. You have to select the date. This will look like this. This is the field type. And required by date is my variable name. Now, last one, we will use business justification. And here we will use multi-line text. So how multi-line text will look like, you can see. I'm again telling you, order is very important. If you will not give order, it will move here and there. 45 I have given. Business justification, and it should be multi-line text. Insert and stay. Now it is done, I think. Yeah, let's refresh this page. And you will see multi-line text will look like a string field which have more characters in incident table, You can see this will look like this, the date field, the list collector field. Then this is the yes or no field. Then this is the select box. This is the single line text. This is the reference field. So these are the basic type of fields which are mostly used in the real time. I'm telling you which all thing we have used or utilizing in our project. Checkbox is important. End, split, start. These three are very important. I will tell you in the next session what is the meaning of these three. This is I will tell you now, but I will not implement. I will tell you now only. See, we have left side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 field, but on the right side, we don't have any field. So what I want that I want to keep this 3 here only, and I want to move this 2 on the right side because right side is blank. I want to utilize this space also so that this catalog will become small. We don't have to scroll that much. So what I want to do, we have to use container start before this one, employee name. Before this employee name, we have to use container start. After existing employee name, we have to use container split. And then after need docking station, we have to use container stop. It is same like split, start and stop in this one. I will show you form layout. Yes, I think in the form layout. And the incident table we are using, I have already explained in the incident also. See, this is split, this end split, and there is one more where it is. So yeah, it is same like it. If it is splitting from here, then it is starting important and urgent from the right side on the top. There is, I think inside this incident, there is only 2, but here we have 3. And what are those 3? These are the 3, end, split and start. Then we have custom with label, date and time, duration, email. These all are the type of field. And first task for you people, you have to create one catalog. You have to keep it under one category and catalog item. And whatever number of type of field is here, 1, 2, 3, or maybe 20, suppose 20, you have to create 20 field and you have to create all 20 field type here, and you can give any variable name. Suppose you can ask from AI that I want to create this type of field, or I will give you the question. Don't worry. After the class, I will give you the question so that you can create this all 3. You have to create UI page, single line text, select box, rich text label. Rich text label is again very important. I will let you know. Reference, numeric, multiple choice, multi-line text, lookup, select box, mask, list collector. I have already shown you. So this is just the beginning. We will deal with a lot of things. We will deal with a lot of use cases. There is much more class left. 4 or 5 class we will take for service catalog only. We have to also create conditions. So I have not created today because I think we are out of time. So yeah, these are the types. We can create conditions also. How we can create condition? We can go to our catalog. And with the help of catalog UI policy, we can create condition, and catalog client script, we can create condition. So now the question comes when we have to use UI policy and when we have to use client script in service catalog. Suppose I have created one catalog, and suppose I want that in replacement laptop, when I will select this replacement laptop, then this field should become mandatory. Okay, existing laptop number, this field should become mandatory. So this is very easy task, very small task, or we don't need lot of confusion, lot of condition over here. In this case, you can go with UI policy. UI policy is, I think you people know UI policy, or if you don't know, I will explain again here only. And catalog client script. When we will use catalog client script, suppose if I will select this new laptop, then at the same time, I want this field to be populate something. This field should be high performance and need docking should be no, and then required date should be something, and business justification should write something for 100 words for me automatically. Whenever I will select, this all tasks should be performed. So this thing we cannot perform with the help of UI policy. UI policy will only provide 4 things. 4 things only it will provide. Let me show you also for UI policy. If I will open UI policy, and one more thing, there is a very important interview question between client script and catalog client script. Can anyone tell me what are the type of client script? There are 4 types. Can anyone name them?
On-load, on-change,
G_score form.
On submit, on
on
edit.
submit.
Yes. On load, on change, on submit, on sell edit. But here in catalog, we don't have on sell edit catalog client script because there is no cell, there is no list on the catalog. We have only 3 type of catalog client script. Let me create new. Where? Yeah. Catalog UI policy. You can see type. You can see only on change, on load, on submit. You cannot see on sell edit. Why we are using on sell edit? Because we want to perform some task on the list view. Then we need only on sell edit. But in catalog, there is no list view. We are only dealing with the form. We will always deal with the form. We don't have any list view. That's why there is no on sell edit here. And this is the very much important interview question, almost asked from me 5 to 8 times. What is the basic difference between catalog client script and client script? Now you can see here in the catalog UI policy, suppose I will create one test, or let me save it so that the condition will come. We can perform only 4 things from the UI policy. What all 4 things we can do? Can anyone tell me? First tell me, then I will switch to that window. What all
Like
4 things we can do?
Mandatory, visible.
This is the 2 things
Read
only.
only.
What?
Mandatory, read only, clear
Yes.
field value,
And
visible, hide or visible.
yes. See, there is something field message type also came. Info, warning, or error. I just see, I think it came on Australia release or Zurich release. Maybe not in Zurich, maybe in Australia only. So see, mandatory, true, false, visible, true, false, read only, true, false, value action, set value, clear value. See, again, set value also came, clear value also came. Now here info, warning, or error. So you see that ServiceNow is trying to make it low code, no code platform. It is telling us that if you want to set some value, then you have to give the value. If you want to clear the value, then already field we have to select over here. And we have to give info message, warning message, error message. I think if you people have read my previous lecture of glide form, then you can relate what is info message, what is warning, or what is error. Add error message, add info message, whatever I have explained over there for any field, show field message or add info message, this all thing. So now it came, how much it will become? Mandatory, visible, read only, set value, clear value, 3 to 5, and field message type 6. 6 thing now we can do with the help of catalog UI policy. I think 1 minute, let me check here also. Is it same here also, or they have only provided there? So whatever you can perform with the help of this thing, you can perform easily without writing a script. But what cannot be achieved with the UI policy, then you have to go with the scripting. And I'm telling you, the scripting is very easy for catalogs. You have to only understand if-else condition, if or else if condition, and some of the operators of JavaScript, then some of the syntax of JavaScript, then glide form, specifically glide form, too much important glide form. That's it. Only those things require, and you will sail through these catalogs. I'm just checking that if that option is also here or not, or only in catalogs. No, here you can see we have mandatory, visible, read only, and clear value. So now this can be again one of the interview question from you if you have not seen this thing. Correct? On the catalog UI policy and on the UI policy, what is the basic difference? You can also tell set value, clear value, and we can also set field message type. But here you can see only 3 and 1, 4. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so now you can go ahead and ask any doubt. I am free to answer. I'm done from my side. It was 85 or 90 candidate, now 57. Okay, now you can ask your doubt from the
Oh.
session. Or
I have a quick question. So when we are creating the catalog item in the maintain items, there is a attribute or field we can say, which says fulfillment automation item. What is the use of that?
1 minute, let me check.
When we click on new,
I think you are talking about this one.
yes. How
See, I
will this
think-
work?
See, this thing I think recently came, so I also don't know about this one, but I will tell you after researching it. But as the name suggests, fulfillment automation level. But right now, whatever fulfillment we are doing with the help of process engine, and in process engine we
Yes.
have flow, workflow, and execution plan. With the help of these three, we are fulfilling this catalog request. Whatever we are developing here, whatever thing we are developing here, whenever we will select, whenever we will do order now, there is one REQ generated, then RITM generated, and SC task generated. How the flow will go, we will create with the help of this flow or workflow or execution plan. Execution plan is gone. Workflow is also about to gone, and flow is the coming new one. So that is the thing which we are doing for the catalog. But this thing, fulfillment automation level, I will definitely tell you this thing maybe by tonight only. I will tell you all this for type. I have also seen this because this came on recently. So I have also not knowledge about this one as of now. I will tell you.
Thank you. That's all from my end.
Okay. Now anyone else?
Yeah, so my question is related to the training. So you are providing from end to end, like service admin to means 0 to advance, okay? And you are providing these three as well. The
Yes, see,
flow
this all
designer,
are
service
you
catalog.
are you able to see the screen?
Yeah.
All this
So
thing
you
provided.
Oh
All this.
yeah, all these things provided, and also the separate one you also provided service catalog, flow designer, and integration part. So
Yes.
the for these three, the content will be same from the
Yes,
parent one, like ITSM admin.
yes, everything will be
There is no
same. And
difference between them.
see, as you can see, I'm giving you one example so that you can easily relate. Suppose how I can give. Suppose there is a company, BMW, who make cars, correct? In 1950s,
Hmm.
the companies made the car, and in 2026, they made a car. What is the difference between 1950 and 2026? A lot of new features, lot of new things,
Yeah.
correct? So same as it is,
Yeah.
what I am giving today, maybe after 5 years, I am giving extra more what comes new in the market. Are you getting it? What I am giving you people right now, suppose that guy asked me this question, correct? I'm giving you example, live example. That guy asked me this question. Maybe in the next batch when I will start, I will study about this as well, so that maybe another guy who will ask me question. So in that session, they will get this much extra knowledge. Are you getting it? Are you there?
Yes. Yeah. I'm there, but yeah, I got your point of view. But
Yeah.
my question is, you are providing two different trainings, no? Like only for the
No,
service catalog
see,
integration.
Aksha. I think your name is Aksha, correct? This is not
Yeah,
something,
correct.
this is not something different training. This training is coming from past 1.5 month. My students are already here.
Okay,
My students are already here in the
okay.
batch. See, the Shagufta is there, or Sharmili is there, Shalini is there, Shiva is there, Sridhar, Sudhakar. Everyone is my student. Manitha is there. These all are my already students. This is not something new batch. This I have started because many people already know the basics. They want to master in integration, flow, or catalog. That's why I have told them that I am going to start the topic. If you want to come, you can come. So if you,
Okay, okay.
yeah, so if you don't know about the previous topic, then I will suggest you to start the start. If you have the knowledge of all the previous thing, whatever you can see on the screen, if you have the knowledge of this ITSM admin development, if you have did the scripting, all the API knowledge you have, you can go ahead. Like if you like see, if you have the knowledge of incident management, problem change, UI policy, SLA, import set, if you have the knowledge of client script, business rule, glide Ajax, this all thing is already covered for my students. This thing we are starting today for my students. This thing is also new for my students too. Got it?
Yeah. Now I get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Okay.
Anyone else?
Hello, one. Hello.
Yes, Priti Moria. Ask.
Regarding service catalog, what about the UI? Like UI is made by other team, or we also need to make the UI for the portal?
I'm not getting your question properly.
Suppose you go to the service portal, na?
Yes.
You're requesting something. Okay, like can we develop Amazon website through ServiceNow? Is it?
See, for that you have to read about service portal. Service portal is a different thing. In that one, you have to learn HTML, CSS. You have to learn those things.
That only I'm asking. Only backend work will be done by the ServiceNow. The UI part is different.
Yes, this is the catalog which we have developed over here.
Okay.
Those things which you are asking, that how we have to develop this all thing, how this thing comes over here. This is the part of service portal. You can see in the home how it is look like. How can I help? So if something is written over here, so people have generated some code in the backend, correct? Same as it is. You can see in our requirement, if I have written this thing over here, so this thing is there already in our catalog, correct? This thing is already here in the backend. That's why it is coming over here. Same as it is. If it is coming, how can I help? So it is somewhere else, somewhere situated in the database. So this is developed by the service portal. If you have the knowledge of service portal, you can develop it. This all thing.
So like we can do that part also. Now that I'm asking, as a ServiceNow developer, can we do that also? Like, are we able to responsible for this also?
No. This service portal is different thing. You can learn service portal also. That is the different part. What you can see on my training, you will see these things. These all topics.
No, in general, I'm asking in general what you're going to work in industry.
Developers only develop this thing. Developers only. For that, you have to, I have highlighted now that you have to learn CSS and HTML.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Now I think if you don't have any question, you can drop. And those who have question, you can stay.
Often majority of projects are using employee service portal nowadays. It has advanced features than service portal.
See, Akash, that comes under HRSD.
Okay.
HRSD is different module. That is not ITSM. That is HRSD.
But I am also working in a project. They are using employee service portal rather than for requesting items.
I understood, Akash. That is HRSD, where people are also using ESC portal for employee onboarding or for payroll, for some allocations, for all those things. That is one of the other thing. Here I have highlighted, that I will cover ITSM, admin, development, scripting, catalog, flow designer, integration. Now, I think all 52 have question, or if you don't have question, you can drop.
Apan, you mentioned that you will be sharing the worksheet to do. So I thought we'll be getting it on. Okay, after the call. Okay.
After the call, I will share over the group, WhatsApp group. And
Okay,
one more
got it.
thing I want to highlight. This is the only free first class. From tomorrow, only the paid candidates who have there, they will only join.
Yep, of course.
Okay, then if you don't have any question, you can
Yeah,
start
thank you.
dropping. Yeah, I'm asking from
Thank you
others
all.
as well. 48,
Hi,
47. There.
one question. Like from
Yes, ask.
Employee Center, can we also use like a service catalog request
Yes,
raising like a
yes, you can. You have to develop catalog for Employee Center also.
so then what is the difference between using Employee Center and Service Portal?
Employee Center, basically we are using for HRSD module. HRSD module is a human resource module where we are
Yes,
only dealing with the human resource. And that is the other part that is not comes under this ITSM area.
okay, but Service Catalog also we can raise for my Employee Center.
There is catalog also. There is record producer also in ESC. I will tell you
Okay.
what is the record producer.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Start dropping if you don't have any question. I'm asking from others. 36, 35.
Yeah, thank you, Apan. Thank you for the class.
Okay, thank you. If anyone have any question, please ask fast. We have only 5 minutes.
Hello.
Yes, Neet.
Yeah, I have a question. Like I am working from last 1.5 years in testing,
Your
and I'm
voice
learning
is
my
your voice is not coming, yes, Neet.
voice is not coming. Hello.
It is very much breaking and noisy.
Hello.
Yes, ask. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, tell me. Hello. I'm not getting any voice from you. Okay. Other one.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Zubair.
Yeah. So I just want to ask what in the
Hello.
module of ITSM, what integrations we use, like when we connect to external
Hello.
systems, can you give some examples of whatever you worked on a project, some examples of connecting to external systems or regarding to the ITSM?
Already explained that we will see in the integration class how we can integrate with the Jira.
No, I just want some examples like in the concept of ITSM model, what external systems we can connect.
You can connect with Microsoft Teams, you can connect with Slack, you can connect with Teams, you can connect with Jira, you can connect with other ServiceNow instance, you can connect with SAP. This all thing you can do. There is one understanding, you have to just know the basics of integration and everything is same in all integration.
Okay,
Everywhere we are using same URL, same authentication, same thing.
Okay, got it. Sure. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I am saying now I'm audible.
Yes, tell me. Yes, Neet.
I am saying like from last 1.6 or 7 months I am working in testing and I am learning myself service now.
Yes.
If I do that this training that content you shared that is enough to crack interview for 2 years.
Yes, brother. Even 4 years, even 5 years.
That much content only that you have written.
Yes.
Okay. That's my question. Okay, thank you.
Who don't have any question, please drop.
I have one other question. Can I ask?
Yes.
Like I don't have time for like attending this course, but I have read your all the PDFs and I find all the PDFs very detailed and very structured. And I do have one like many interviews coming up in this week. So can I just get all the PDFs maybe if it is possible?
See, Sheikh, I'm telling you, I will show you one PDF. 1 minute. See the service catalog, 23 page. It took me almost 6 hours to prepare this PDF.
Yeah, I'm not I'm asking
See,
what is the charge for it.
yes,
So
yes, I am planning to do that as well. People are asking for notes as
Oh.
well. I am planning to do that as well. I will keep a very minimum charge for all my notes, all topic notes. I will put it in the group. Okay.
Okay, sure. I do have interviews in the coming week,
Yes,
so
yes, I
coming
will.
next week. So
I will give.
sure. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, then I'm asking from other people. If you have any question, you can directly text me over my WhatsApp. Okay, I will reply there.
Afan,
Yes, Akash.
we are using transform maps to map the field for integration also, right? Inbound,
That
both
comes
inbound
under,
and outbound.
see, data source always comes under integration only.
Okay.
Yeah.
But we can import Excel also, right? That one. External.
Import Excel is also the external system. No? Excel file is also the external system, not
Okay.
inside the ServiceNow. I will tell you from how we can import from Excel, import from JDBC with the help of LDAP, with the help of Active Directory. Everything will be explained in the integration class.
Okay.
Okay, then I think I am done. If you have any question, you can text me over the WhatsApp. Okay, everyone, all 14 candidates who is there. Okay, then bye everyone.